Shenzhen Bolan Security Technology Co. Limited, also known as Shenzhen Baolan Security Smart Technology Co. Limited, is a high-tech manufacturer based in Shenzhen, China, specializing in the research and development, R&D, manufacturing, sales, and after-sales services of pedestrian and vehicle access control barrier gates. With a deep-rooted presence in the access control industry since 2011, we have built a solid foundation driven by professional engineers, a dedicated team, a complete production line, and a robust supply chain. We are the top manufacturer of barrier gate to supply ODM and OEM service in entry gates industry. Bolan offers a comprehensive range of premium pedestrian entrance access control turnstile gate, including tripod turnstiles, flap barriers, swing gates, speed gates, full height turnstiles, sliding gates, and also vehicle barrier gate like parking barriers, road blockers, and rising bollards, covering various types of automatic entrance access solutions. Our products can be seamlessly integrated with multiple access control and time attendance systems, such as RFID cards, wristbands, fingerprint biometric, facial recognition, QR code, tokens, coins, and ESD testers, providing customized and intelligent entrance access control management solutions for diverse scenarios.